Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Myself Vipul and you're watching Digital Vipul. In this video we will talk about how to create an Instagram account or Instagram page. Okay, so let's jump on to the Chrome browser and create that account. So you have to go to www.instagram.com. Then you have to click on sign up. Okay, then here you have to give your email ID. So I will give admin@digitalvipul.com, and then you have to give your name. So I will give Digital. Then you have to select the username, that is Digital. So that username is already taken, so we will not be able to get that. So we will take Digital official. Okay, so that would work. Then you have to enter the password. Then click on sign up. Okay, you got the code, so just click that over here and then click on submit. So here we go. So your Instagram account has been created. Okay, so this is a basic tutorial, okay, about how to create Instagram account for your website like Digital Vipul official. Okay, so we will set up it later. Okay, hope you like the video. If you like the video, hit the like button, and if you're new to this channel, subscribe to the channel so that you can get, and also click on the bell notification so that you can get all the notification of my next video. And if you have any doubt, just click on the comment section, and for any suggestion, kindly guys do comment on that. Okay, so and share it with maximum of people. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.